Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today I'm sharing how I transformed our backyard and patio just in time for spring weather and the current situation of being home all day. We have a good sized backyard. The only problem was we had fire ants and a big patch of grass missing. Like I mentioned in my last cleaning video, it prevented us from using this space because the kids would track in so much dirt. I haven't done anything out here since we moved in, so it's just junky and dirty out here. So I want to give it a good clean and make it a comfortable space for the kids to play. I need this space more than ever now, even though I planned to do this before these recent events took place. Noel is coming over with a pressure washer and he's going to wash all the dirt and spider webs away. He's also going to be here to help me build things and keep an eye on the kids. On the first day, Jody volunteered to put together the kids' jungle gym. I helped with that because it was really difficult for one person. Even with the two of us, it was still very challenging. So while he starts the swing outside, I'm inside to put together the little outdoor patio set that I found on Wayfair. I wanted something inexpensive and easy to clean, so I went with this one. Just 2 chairs and a little coffee table. The patio isn't that big and it was fairly easy to assemble. Next, I found this Fountain Factory water table. We have a basic one that I purchased when we first moved in, but this one has gears, pumps, and a handle to stream and stop. I thought it would keep the little one's attention for longer, and it really did. They both loved it.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so...
On the next day, Noel is over to build and attach the slide to the swing set while I clear off the back patio by picking up packaging and just random shoes, socks, wrappers. I'm gonna move everything off and sweep the webs from the corners and windowsills, then sweep as much as I can with the broom before Noel goes in with the pressure washer.
We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the type for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next
The kids were really excited for the slide. Their dad has the exact same one at his place, but he didn't have the patience for the slide, so thankfully Noel could do that for them.
Close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am gold. I'm golden.
Now while Noel gets ready to pressure wash, I'm taking Emir inside to sit with me because I knew he wasn't going to like the sound. I really wanted to be the one to use it. I remember how much fun it was to use when my dad would pressure wash our driveway when I was a kid. After that, I had to wait several hours for the ground to dry before I started putting out the patio furniture. The rug I bought is from Wayfair also, and way too small, but it'll have to do. We're not gonna live here forever, but it would have been nice if it was a little bit bigger. I placed the chairs like that for now, so it'll stop the corners from rolling up. The blue fold-up chairs are from Walmart. It comes 2 in a set. The old ones were really dingy looking and Noel said he would take them and make them nice again, so I gave them to him. The lime green outdoor pillows also are from Wayfair. I thought they'd tie in nice with a rug and seat cushions. The box that I brought out earlier is a surprise for the kids for the next day when they see everything put together. It's the next day and it was so warm and nice. I put out the slip inside for the kids and they loved it. I did also put out the water table after this and they loved that too. We finally have a decent place for the kids to play back here since we aren't going anywhere anytime soon and they need to burn off energy to go to bed early so I can get work done. The bins in this corner aren't being used, they're completely empty. I also didn't know what to do with the leftover gas from the pressure washer, so I just put it there for now. I'll list everything in the description for you guys if you're interested in creating a budget-friendly outdoor space for your kids to play. And that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you all in my next video.